Hello and welcome to our instructional video on how to factorize the equation x squared minus 16. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process for factoring this quadratic equation. By the end of this video, you will be able to confidently factorize x squared minus 16 on your own. So, let's get started. In step 1 of solving the problem to factorize the equation x squared minus 16, we start by recognizing that the expression fits the form of a difference of squares. A difference of squares is an algebraic expression that can be written as a squared number minus another squared number. Here, x squared is already in the form of a squared number, and 16 can be written as 4 squared. So, we rewrite the given expression as x squared minus 4 squared. This alteration is crucial because it sets up the next step, where we apply the difference of squares formula. In step 2 of solving the problem to factorize the equation x squared minus 16, we apply the difference of squares formula. The difference of squares formula states that a squared number minus b squared number can be factored into the product of two binomials, specifically a plus b times a minus b. In our case, we have x squared minus 4 squared. Applying the difference of squares formula, we rewrite the expression as x plus 4 times x minus 4. This is the final step, and we have successfully factorized the equation x squared minus 16. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.